Hey guys, Rob here. I wanted to show you a new project I've been working on called Las Chispas, and it's a language learning application that shows you how to flirt without getting in trouble, without getting that drink spilled in your face. So the first thing you see is a language selector. My native language is English, so I'll keep this as it is, but if you're an Hispanohablante, you could switch this to Spanish and learn English. So it goes in both directions. I'm going to go ahead and continue. And these cards represent scenarios. So dialogues where somebody's trying to meet somebody else, trying to break the ice. So let's drill into one of these. And you can play audio from this dialogue.
Camila hojea un libro en la terraza de un café sin notar que alguien se acerca. Hola, no quería interrumpir, pero ¿te gustaría tomar un café conmigo?
Depende.
And you can slow this down if you want to.
¿Vas a hablar todo el tiempo o también me vas a dejar opinar?
Me encantaría.
So that's 3/4 speed, and you can click these and play them individually. And if you want, you can work on your translation skills. So translating from the target into the native, and then you can also translate from the native back into the target. This is an optional feature. You don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it's there if you do. And the other thing you can do is go in here and practice one chunk at a time. And a chunk is basically like a phrase from within a sentence. So this dialogue starts with, hola, no quería interrumpir, pero ¿te gustaría tomar un café conmigo? And this is the first half of that, the first chunk. So you can play just this first chunk.
Hola, no quería interrumpir, pero.
And if you find that too fast, you can slow it down. And then what you do is you shadow or chorus the chunk. So, hola, no quería interrumpir, pero. And then once you get that down, you can speed it back up. Hola, no quería interrumpir, pero. And then if you want, after that, you can do it 3 times. This start 3 shadows gives you a nice pause between each one. I'm not going to do that because it's going to take up too much time. And you can go in here, each chunk, one at a time, all the way through the dialogue. And that helps you improve your comprehension because you do have the bilingual parallel side-by-side text here, and you're also working on your pronunciation. At any time, you can skip back to the full dialogue if you'd like, and in reality, you can actually work on one chunk at a time within this screen as well. But this is a fun project I've been working on. I want to show it to you guys, see what you thought. Please let me know what you think about it. Love to hear your feedback, and I hope it helps you.